my channel. Sa lahat po ng nag-subscribe, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Ngayon po ang ating lulutuin or ibibake po ay cookies. Meron po tayong 5 dry ingredients and 3 wet ingredients. Meron po tayong 2 cups of colored cereal. And then 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And 1 cup of white sugar. At meron din po tayong 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And now for our dry ingredients, wet ingredients, we have 1 egg, 1/2 cup of butter. Sa butter po, tinunaw lang natin siya using the microwave. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ngayon po, we will mix all the wet ingredients first. The egg, the butter, and the vanilla extract. Okay, and we will just mix it thoroughly. And we now set this aside and we're gonna mix all our dry ingredients. For our dry ingredients, we will mix the sugar and the all-purpose flour and the baking soda and salt. We just have to make sure that it's mixed thoroughly. Tapos, pwede natin siyang ilagay sa ating wet ingredients. We'll just mix the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients slowly. So, everything will be well incorporated. Then we're gonna mix our colored cereals too. Then haluin lamang po natin siyang mabuti. At ngayon po na our cookie mixture is ready, it's all mixed together. We will gonna put it on a parchment paper in a tray and we're gonna use this as a mold. Ilalagay na po natin ang ating cookies in the mold. Siguraduhin lamang po natin na flat siya and rounded. Okay, ngayong tapos na po nating i-mold ang ating cookies. Make sure lang po that when we mold the cookies that it's round and flat. We're gonna set the oven to 350 degrees and then painitin po natin yung oven for 5 minutes bago natin ipasok ang ating cookies. At ngayon, ready na po ang ating oven. Ipapasok na natin ang ating cookies and we will cook it for 13 minutes. Our cookies are cooked, so i-remove na natin siya sa oven. Okay. At atin siyang papagpahingahin ng 2 minuto. Now that our cookies are cool, we'll just transfer them to the plate. Okay, ngayon, titikman na po natin ang ating cookies and we'll see how it tastes. Our cookie is crunchy and yummy because of the cereal too. Hope you enjoy this video and please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.